Good evening and a very warm welcome to all of you in this interactive session of ours where we generally take some important topics with you. We take those topics which are of interest of everyone and we always try to give the resolution to many problems with the help of Ayurveda. And today the topic which we are discussing with you is psoriasis. Now when we talk about psoriasis, it is a chronic autoimmune condition of the skin, and all those who suffer from psoriasis, they very well know that when we are talking about psoriasis, there are certain common symptoms of psoriasis which are really agonizing one, as there can be red patches of skin covered with thick silvery scales, then small scaling spots are there, dry, cracked skin that may bleed or it may itching, burning or soreness can be there, thickened pitted ridged nails can be there, and there can be swollen and stiff joints. The most important thing which we are to remember if a person is suffering from psoriasis, the most important point is that the scales will shed from the skin if a person is suffering from psoriasis, which is very common. And as you can see in the images also, red patches on the skin, small scaling spots, you can see how the skin is cracked, there is itching, there is soreness, you can see how the nails get thickened, and there are also swollen and stiff joints. Now when we talk about psoriasis, the psoriasis can be of various types. So let us discuss psoriasis, the types of psoriasis one by one. But before we go to the types of psoriasis, I would like to tell you that when we talk about Ayurveda is definitely a pathy of choice for treatment of psoriasis. Because when we say psoriasis, Acharya Charak, one of the ancient saint in Ayurveda, mentioned psoriasis under Siddhma. When he was mentioning various kinds of skin diseases, in those skin diseases, he has mentioned Siddhma, and Siddhma is one of the types of skin diseases which is the same as psoriasis. So when we treat psoriasis patient like Siddhma, a person gets much quicker recovery than what he gets from the corticosteroids, Holtar, and other application medications in allopathy, and at the same time the treatment is more permanent in nature. So safe as well as permanent treatment for psoriasis, much better than allopathy, is available for psoriasis. And let's see what can be the types of psoriasis. You will see from the images which I am showing you, there can be pustular psoriasis, there can be gouty psoriasis. I will be showing you one by one. I won't be going into the details of the same, as I will be confining to the Ayurvedic type. There can be flex psoriasis, as you can see. There can be plaque psoriasis. You can again see the type of psoriasis. And if we go to the complete types, there are 5 types of psoriasis in total. I'll be sharing you the details of the psoriasis and you can go through those. However, I'll be confining my discussion today more towards the treatment aspect and what Ayurveda has to say in case of psoriasis. So the 5 types of psoriasis I just shared with you, and now we come to the allopathic causes of psoriasis, that why psoriasis develops as far as allopathy is concerned. Now if we talk about the allopathic aspect of psoriasis, allopathy believes that it is more of a autoimmune disorder. Like many other disorders, psoriasis is also considered to be an autoimmune disorder. Now what happens is, in any kind of autoimmune disorder, is that the body's own immune system becomes active against our body's own cells. So now when we talk about psoriasis specifically, in psoriasis also, when we are talking about the autoimmune aspect, so the body's immune system has become active. So, and that also again its own skin cells. So that is why psoriasis it develops. And when we go as far as Ayurveda is concerned, again I would like to tell you one thing over here, that see, generally in many diseases in allopathy it is said that the disease is autoimmune, and in psoriasis it is also said that the skin cells, they start regenerating, dividing at a speed which is much rapid than what is required. But if we go for the true reasons, the underlying causes, they are still not known as far as allopathy is concerned. So here, when a person is suffering from psoriasis, the hope, it lies in Ayurveda. And when we talk about Ayurveda and the Ayurvedic aspect of psoriasis, so if we go for the Ayurvedic aspect of psoriasis, Ayurveda goes by the Tridosha's theory. And when we talk about psoriasis and when we need to give recovery to a patient suffering from psoriasis, we need to balance the vitiated Pitta dosha. And that is why if a person is suffering from psoriasis, an extreme kind of psoriasis, the person along with the medicinal treatment at some stage is advised to go for a Shodhan, especially Virechan Karma. Virechan procedure is a specific procedure which if a person undergoes, the patient gets more of a permanent kind of recovery if he or she is suffering from psoriasis. So there is a medicinal treatment, and when we talk about medicinal treatment for psoriasis, the best part for psoriasis as far as medicine is concerned, it is Aragvad. Aragvad, which is also known as Keshiya fistula, which is also known as Rajavriksha. Now that Aragvad, that Keshiya, is the drug of choice for a person suffering from psoriasis. There are many classical combinations which can give treatment in psoriasis, which can give very quick recovery in psoriasis as far as Ayurveda is concerned, one of them being Aragvada Rishtam, Aragvada the Kashaya tablets or Kashayam. So these are some of the classical combinations which if applied orally, if it's taken, and if with the application of combinations like Jatyadi Keram, Mahamarichadi Telam, if they are used, the patients who are suffering from psoriasis, they get a very quick and a very good recovery. There are many herbs like Surashya Churaita, which is Churaita, Aragvad, which is Rajavriksha, Hardra, Neem, Kutaj, which give a marked improvement if taken in a proper dosage under the guidelines of a trained Ayurvedic physician in a patient suffering from psoriasis. And to make the things easier for our patients, we have developed a special combination on the name of Golden Shower Capsules. Now when we talk about Golden Shower Capsules, it is a special combination which we have developed for our patients suffering from psoriasis. Now what is so special about Golden Shower Capsules when we are giving those to patients suffering from psoriasis? Now see, when a patient is suffering from psoriasis, the patient needs two kinds of treatments. One which is the symptomatic recovery which is required by the patient, and the second which is the permanent kind of treatment which a patient is expecting when the patient is there for treatment in Ayurveda. Now when we talk about the symptomatic aspect of psoriasis, a person requires that the scales should reduce, the reddishness should reduce, the itching should reduce. In all these factors, there are multiple ingredients in Golden Shower like Jahar Mohra, Ral, Hardra, which have mild and marked anti-allergic effects, which reduce the inflammation, which are anti-inflammatory. When these are taken, they give a soothing effect on the skin. So the symptomatic recovery which a patient suffering from psoriasis is expecting, the person starts getting that symptomatic recovery by the usage of these Golden Shower Capsules. And along with that symptomatic recovery which a patient can get with this Golden Shower Capsule, there are ingredients like Rajavriksha, which is Amaltas, that is Keshiya fistula, Khadir, which is also known as a Keshiya catechu, which is over there in this medication, which give more of a permanent kind of treatment in patients suffering from psoriasis. And it is also given in combination with an application medication, a medication which we advise our patients to apply, and that is cutis glow ointment. Because often in patients who are suffering from psoriasis, it is not just the oral medication that is sufficient for the patient to be taken. A patient requires immediate relief in the affected parts, and that relief is provided with the help of an ointment which contains the base of Riccia tinctoria, a herb which is proven, scientifically proven, for providing immediate results, immediate reduction in the agony of patients suffering from psoriasis. So this cutis glow ointment, when coupled with golden shower capsules, they in itself are an ideal combination for the patient to get immediate recovery in the symptoms of psoriasis, as well as they start laying down the base for the permanent treatment of psoriasis. So if you are suffering from psoriasis without any risk, you can start with these medications, which are also available in our US center, which are safe. The FDA certified these medications, it inspected these medications, and then these medications were made available in our US centers also. They are very safe ones, and you can start with those, and then you can also upload the pics of yours, the affected parts of the body with psoriasis, on the WhatsApp number which you can see on the screen, and our team will be getting back to you for further details on what can be done. And if you are suffering from psoriasis, do not forget to drink lots and lots of water, because if you drink more water, you will get better and quicker recovery in psoriasis. So that was something about psoriasis.